Thursday morning, September 20th.
This is so sad.
There's so many good fish out there. All over the bay. See them everywhere. If it's this bad on the mainland side, it's pretty bad out on Bird Key.